Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today we are going to be attempting a string pour. My mom keeps asking me to do this technique and I'm finally giving in. So for the background, I'm going to have cadmium red DPU. And for the pull, I will be doing gold and copper and perhaps a touch of a darker color. I have some raw umber here. I also have black. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do it dark or just have it be metallic and sparkly. So first things first, I'm going to cover my edges with the basics. Some colors have a transparent quality even if they are marked as opaque. So I like to get some good coverage on my edges when I can. Okay, my edges are covered. And let me just make sure I have the right side pointing north. I did not. When I level my canvases, I put a little dot on the bottom at the side that would be pointing away from me. I just call it north. I'm not actually facing north, but it helps me to make sure I don't sit my canvas where it's not level. My work surface isn't level, so I have to level the canvas. Okay, base coat. We have our base coat applied. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to alternate the gold and the copper. And get it nice and covered, saturate it. Okay, you want to get some of that excess off, so I will do it in a different spot so it's not so gooey and drippy. Okay, here we go. Okay, here goes nothing. I think I want to do a couple of smaller ones. groupings look better in combinations of odd numbers. So 3 or 5. So I'm going to do this big one, and then I'll do 2 smaller ones. Oop, I have to remember to get rid of the excess. Just run it over your stick and let it drip off. Okay, do that one more time. I think I'll come across this way. Okay, well, I don't want to mess too much with this. Would have liked if I'd done that a little more that way. C'est la vie. Let me give this a quick torch. Get rid of any bubbles. There's no silicone in any of this. Okay, so here it is. I know that this gold looks so pretty with this red, so I will look forward to seeing this dry. Hope you learned something. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Oh, in case I didn't mention, I don't think I did, the mix was 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, regular mixture, a little thicker than the straight pour, not too thin. Okay, so please check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you should feel so inclined. Also, my website, which now has paintings for sale as well as music, woohoo. The group Go Make Some Art. Check us out over there. Post your masterpieces. And should you find yourself in a painting pickle, there's always some sage advice to be found there. And my Amazon store, the link that is in the description box, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no extra cost to you. Keep a sister in mind during the holiday season, should you find yourself doing some online shopping. It's a way to help a sister out, and it doesn't cost you anything. All right, you guys, that's it for me. Please have yourself a beautiful day, and go make some art.